Hi friends, today we are going to talk about slicing softwares and what is the importance of this slicing softwares or what is the role it is going to play in case of 3D printing. As the name indicates, slicing software means it is slicing down the something. So what is that something? That is nothing but it will be slicing down the 3D CAD model, or we can say that to be precisely it will be slicing the STL file. Till now in the previous videos we have seen till STL file. So the slicing software takes input as an STL file and it is going to slice. So what is the use of that one? Slicing we will be going to see here. Here we know that the STL file has been generated in a CAD system, but finally the physical model is going to fabricate using a 3D printer or an additive manufacturing machine. So here there should be a conversion of a data. There should be conversion of data from the CAD system to a machine. Or in short, if we want to say in some other words, here this slicing software what it makes is it reads the STL file and it gives the commands to the machine how to make the virtual STL model into a physical 3D model. So that's the major role of a conversion of a data, or the purpose of a slicing software is nothing but it is understanding the STL file and giving the commands to the machine how to make the virtual model into a physical model. So this is the major role of a slicing software. So here, what are the slicing softwares? If I name them, here you can see the Magix, FlashPrint, Cura, Prusa Slicer, Slicer 3R, Mesh Mixture, like this. Many more slicing softwares are there. So if you categorize them, to be precisely, it will be coming under two umbrellas. One is proprietary softwares and the second one is open source softwares. So what is the major difference between these two, proprietary softwares and open source softwares? These proprietary softwares are nothing but these softwares are given to the user along with a machine. If you are going to buy a proprietary machine like from a 3D Systems or Stratasys or from a major players, so what they will be giving along with the printer or along with an additive manufacturing machine, they are going to provide us a pre-processing software. So that is nothing but it is a slicing software. But in our internet or majorly we know that 3D printers we are getting it for a very low cost in a few hundreds of dollars. If you are going to those kind of machines, so what it is there is they will not be giving any proprietary softwares, but we can use an open source softwares to run or to work with those machines. But if you see in a major scenario, the proprietary softwares and open source softwares almost they will be having an almost similar kind of features for a normal user. Okay, so the basic function of these two softwares is nothing but these two softwares will be understanding the STL file and giving the commands to a machine. So what kind of commands it is going to give? Those are nothing but we will be calling it as slicing parameters, or basing on these parameters the machine is going to run. So if I want to like, as we know that additive manufacturing is a layer by layer process. So each and every layer with how much thickness it has to print. So that is nothing but we call it as a layer height. And at the same time, if it is printing or if it is manufacturing, it is doing within a certain speed. So what is the speed, or at which speed the machine need to be running? That is nothing but we will call it as a printing speed. And orientation. So in which orientation we are going to build our model, or on the build platform where we are placing within which angulation. So like this, there are many parameters. We will be seeing in detail about these parameters in the future videos, but here I want to tell you the thing is, these slicing parameters play a crucial role in case of a fabrication of a 3D model. Okay, here these parameters are completely controlled in the slicing software, and if we are not going to give a specified slicing parameters or parameters inappropriately, so it is going to spoil the model or in a machine. So this plays in a very crucial role, and these parameters are very important. About these parameters in detail we will be seeing in a further video. Thank you guys.